What's up, guys? I'm boxing my 3 Racing. I got off eBay from a guy. He was copy racing it. I'm gonna turn to a drag car. Got a FR1 motor on it. I'm probably gonna take that off. I'm going with another setup. I like the car. It's a nice car. Just got it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up for drag racing, 132 foot. It came with this body. I'm not gonna keep that body. But just a little update. I'm gonna get this build going. I got my other body in. I'm messing it up for paint. Getting it ready. Got a little more things I want to do to it. Change the tires, foam tires on it, my wheelie bar. Get it going. Looking to do some good numbers. 3 Racing. Ultimate Edition. I got my other aluminum diff I ordered. Go there. Nice car. I have more updates coming on this build.